Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast, where America goes for funding for the last 20 years. Call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about getting a home loan and if you've been on workers' comp. You know, a lot of people have always called me and asked me, hey, Angelo, I want to buy a house. I want to get approved to buy a home, but my lender just denied me because I've been on workers' comp. I got injured. So I wanted to actually make a video about this to talk about the benefits and the requirements that if you are a workers' comp, you can still get a home loan. And it's still possible. Even if you're on temporary disability, you can still get a home loan. So I wanted to talk about this today because I see a lot of people that they're on workers' comp, they've been injured, and they want to still be able to buy a house. So I wanted to discuss this today to let you know that it is possible. You can still get approved for conventional, FHA, VA, or USDA. There are going to be requirements for the loan. You still have to meet all the other requirements for the loan, like have a 620 or higher credit score, be able to verify your income, verify your assets, all the other requirements you still have to meet. But if you're on workers' comp, you can still be able to, you're still eligible to buy a home. It's still possible. So you don't have to be back to work. Now, if you are back to work or you're going to be returning back to work and you're getting full pay again, then that's great because then you can use that income. But if you're still on workers' comp, we're going to be able to use the income that you're getting as of the date of your application. So let's say that you made $4,000 a month when you were working full time, and now you're on workers' comp, and now you're making $3,000 a month. We can only qualify you with the income that you're getting as the date of your application on workers' comp. So if you're making $3,000 a month, we're going to approve you and qualify you with that income. Okay? So just be mindful of that because you may say, well, my salary was $4,000 a month, but the thing is we can't give you credit for the $4,000 a month because you're not back to work. If you wait until you go back to work and then you're back at full salary, we can give you credit for that income. But by the time that if you're on workers' comp and you want to get approved, I had a client of mine, he was on workers' comp for 2 years. He's like, well, I'm not going back to work anytime soon. I want to buy a house. I said, hey, that's not a problem, but we can only give you credit for the income that you're getting today. And we have to qualify you with that income. So if you're making, let's just say, for example, $3,000 a month income, you're going to get approved for the loan with that income. And you can still purchase a brand new home. You can buy an existing home. You can go up to a 56% debt ratio for FHA, a 60% debt ratio for VA, conventional up to a 45%, and USDA up to a 45%. And you have to have at least a 620 credit score. I recommend having at least a 700 credit score or higher and being able to document your workers' comp. We're going to need the documentation from your employer showing how long you've been on workers' comp for and what's the projected ETA for your return of employment. You still have to be actively employed with your company. That is one of the requirements for this loan program, is that when we go to verify employment with your employer, we have to be able to check that reference that you're still gainfully employed with your company in order to approve you for the workers' comp loan. So if we can help you with this program, I want to hear from you. If you've been on workers' comp, you've been discouraged, maybe you're on long-term disability, and you thought you couldn't get a home loan because you're not actively back to work, it's not true. We can help you. Call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. Please reach out to us, or you can click on the YouTube description, and down below you can apply to get pre-approved right there. So don't give up, don't get discouraged. Reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian. Bye-bye.